Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root of x is equal to 18 power 15 by 2 by x square and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know that square root of a, we can write it as a power 1 by 2. So similarly we can write this as x power 1 by 2 is equals to 18 power 15 by 2 by x square. Now I am going to multiply with x square both sides. So we can cancel out this. So what is left? X power 1 by 2 times x square is equals to 18 power 15 by 2. Now according to the exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. Similarly, x power 1 by 2 plus 2 is equals to 18 power 15 by 2. So if we take the LCM, so it gives us 5 by 2 is equals to 18 power 15 by 2. Now I am going to multiply with 2 by 5 power both sides. So we can cancel out this. And here 2 with 2 and 5, 15 with 3. So x is equals to 18 power 3. So x is equals to 5832. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.